Hello, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the app's key features to make your laundry experience seamless. Let's start with the login process. Simply enter your credentials, and you're set to explore the world of Libas Laundry. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can easily navigate through different sections like order placement, tracking, and more, ensuring an intuitive user experience. Reports and analytics. Gain insights into your laundry patterns, expenses, and efficiency. It's a game changer for optimizing your laundry management. Creating new InWid is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Select clothes, select preferred service and quantity of the clothes, and add them to the billing list. Save it, and the system will auto-print the receipt. Since we have mobile app, the system will smartly save your paper if client is using mobile application. When you mark the bill for clothes ready to pick up, the system will invoke WhatsApp application and send preset dynamic notification to the client. The system will also allow you to make easy deliveries from the dashboard. Delivery can be unpaid or paid by card or cash. System supports English, Arabic, and Hindi for printing receipts. We will keep posting section-wise videos on various channels. All these amazing features come at a subscription cost of just 16 Riyal Omani per month. Thank you for watching.